Well, guys, I have a first here. I am actually heading down into Rock Island, Illinois, which is the town next over to where I live. And I put an ad out there for wanting some scrap metal or old computers, and someone actually responded. So that is where we're going now to pick up that stuff. I'm not sure what to expect, but let's go see what they got. So I wanted to show you this, guys. I want to give a shout out to Scrapping Possum. I think it was Scrapping Possum. If not, I will put in the comments who it is. Anyway, shout out to Scrapping Possum. He showed me an app that I will put on the screen here that you can kind of contact people in your immediate area. And so yeah, this guy contacted me. He gave me an aluminum rim, 2 of those old computer monitors, an old desktop unit which has been partly deconstructed already, but still, there's still some very interesting stuff in there. 2 printers, an old Macintosh Classic which has been opened up by someone at some time, and another flat screen and a VCR DVD player which is right down there. So yeah, so that was all free. It was about, I don't know, 10-minute drive to pick it up. But yeah, so I got some e-waste here to take apart eventually. So kind of stoked about that. Yeah, nice little bonus to end the weekend with, or start the week with. So kind of stoked about that. And if you've ever wondered what the inside of a Macintosh looks like, that's it. It's amazing how old school it looks compared to boards today. Kind of wild. So I wanted to make a quick shout out here to Raphael Scrapper, R-A-F-A-L Scrapper. He pointed out on this copper that I took apart that these pieces here, these silver dots, which I figure was, I don't know, I figured it was metal, I don't know, just ferrous or whatever. I didn't even take a magnet to them. These are actually all silver attached to the copper. So thank you for that information. I would have no idea. That would have totally gone out someday with some copper scrap, probably dirty copper at that. So thank you so much for that information. And then I was digging into this box here, this old battery surge protection thing, and saw that the back came off and there's a battery. So that's a nice little chunk of change there too. So I just finished tearing that power supply apart, and that's a big transformer I got out of there. And then this is the computer chip that was inside of it. Plus I got a lot of copper off of it. But yeah, again, I don't know what this stuff is. I know these are aluminum, but blue on blue board. I'm sure Scrapper Dave could tell me exactly what all that was, but yeah, that's just going to go in my board pile for now. See the gold? Woo! Good morning, Shaniacs. How are you doing this morning? It is Monday morning, and life is just good overall. The weather's a little bit cold, but hey, who cares? The sun is shining. The sun is shining, and that's always a good day. So, hey, I just wanted to give a shout out to Make It So. I'll put her name up here on the screen. She just reached 1,000 subscribers. I just stumbled across her channel like a week ago. But she said something on her thank you video, and it really rang out for me personally, and I wanted to share with you. It's expect nothing, but appreciate everything. And I don't know if truer words have ever been said before, that is the way to live your life. Expect nothing, but appreciate everything. And that is probably the simplest recipe for happiness. Well, guys, I wasn't actually planning on dumpster diving today. But there is some different signage in here. Lots of cool stuff in here. It's kind of weird, huh? It's a sign on the outside of the building. So apparently it's for a salon and day spa. They must have went out of business here. There's a fan down there. I'll tell them what we're going to find in here today. So, this is what that sign said. Crazy. That's metal. Oh, well, again, I did not expect to be doing this today, but good scrap there. It's all metal, so not much, you know, in the way of a good sign, meaning, you know, can't really be reused. So we're gonna throw that in the scrap shred pile. So yeah, not a bad little haul. So I'm driving through Savannah, Illinois, and I see this big boy dumpster over here. So I thought it's, holy shit, no way. An old style light? Seriously? 2 bikes? Or a bike? There's sheet metal over there. Another bike. Another bike. Holy crap. I gotta see if I can get that old style sign out of there. So inside that light, it's one of those jump starter kits. Unbelievable. Something else grabbed my attention. I can't remember what it was now. Oh yeah, down here. That is a bandsaw, dude. That is a freaking bandsaw. Why are they throwing this stuff out? That is insane. There's ratcheting straps over there. So the funny thing is, yesterday and today, I have not really wanted to be dumpster diving. I just happened to look over and there's something sticking out, or there's a big dumpster or whatever. So I just go investigate. I haven't been actually doing it on purpose. But the bandsaw was damaged beyond repair. Somebody had thrown it in, cracked the plastic, bent part of the machine. So it would have been just junk. Plus it was attached to a very heavy wooden base, which I couldn't get out by myself. Plus I don't have the room in the back for it right now. But check this out. I literally pulled an old style beer sign barrel out of the trash, which is just mind-blowing. It's missing, or this one here say it's missing. You see that opening there? That's where the missing a flange, but it's actually right there. Hot glue will pop that right back in. So as far as I'm concerned, it's in good working condition. I haven't tested the light, obviously, but yeah, what a great find in the dumpster. Crazy. So I'm finally getting back over here. I can't believe those microwaves and thing are still sitting there. But I'm gonna walk up here and see if they're free for grabs or what. But yeah, they didn't care if I took these at all. So I want to take the 2 microwaves. I think there's more plastic than metal on that dishwasher. So, yeah, I want to grab these 2 microwaves up and take them down to the scrapyard with me. Well, guys, I was over here at my honey hole on Saturday, and I don't expect to find anything today, but I was in the area. So I figure if I'm in the area, even if I just saw it the day before, as good as that thing pays off, I might as well be checking it. So today I am actually in the area, so let's go see if there's anything in the honey hole today. Holy shnikes, there is. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Whew. Look at that beautiful copper baby. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of shit in here. Look at the stuff that's still new in the packaging there. Look at that. Wow. Holy cow. I love this dumpster. unbelievable. I'm not bragging, guys. I'm not. This is by far the biggest haul I've ever pulled out of that telecom dumpster. I got 4 things right there. I got a mystery box. I don't even know what's in there. It's metal. I can hear it rattling around, but it's still sealed from the factory. And just, wow. Okay, so this box here is a mystery box. I just cut it open. I have not physically opened it yet. So let's see what's in here. So some type of a wide extend scissor mounting. So it's some type of mounting hardware. Looks like that piece is galvanized. Oh, yep. So they're all steel. Well, that's still, you know, still something, still pretty cool. Wow. Okay, guys, so some of the stuff I got out of there is that nice thick corrugated copper underneath that black stuff. You can see some of those look like they're brand new in the package. So if I can find a number on them, I might see if they're worth selling. Then today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 of those tan boxes. And I got 5 more of those back there. The stuff on top is from before. Got aluminum, aluminum, aluminum. So yeah, and this thing here, which I'm assuming it's either stainless steel or aluminum, it's got some type of coolant hoses in it and the fans. So I need to break into that somehow, some way. But oh, and that copper tubing there is, or sorry, the aluminum tubing there as well. So an amazing haul today from the telecom dumpster. So now I'm going to head on down to the scrapyard. Still got this, the one we got from the last video, I still need to go through. And there's the start of my new copper wire down there. Woo! Alright guys, we're going to head down to the scrapyard here and get rid of all this shred that I got in the back. Just starting to feel overwhelmed again with too much stuff coming in, not enough stuff going out. So we're going to do our best to get this thing cleared out of all the shred. And then the next couple days get all my aluminum and copper wire sorted again to get that gone, just so I got some breathing room, because I'm telling you what, this is driving me crazy. All right. Okay guys, I took all my shred over there, and I don't even remember what the original weight was, but definitely feel much lighter at this point in time. So let's go get paid. Okay guys, so we had a 10 wire, apparently that's what they call it here. This is only my second time here. So we had 480 pounds, which is more than I thought it would be. 4080, not bad, man. That's pretty good just for, really, I mean, just going out last weekend and yesterday. So not a bad little haul there. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We found a lot of good stuff there at Honey Hole again. But I want to thank you all for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Thank you just so much for being a part of this this channel and helping it grow the way it has. And don't forget, we're going to be doing a drawing at the 1,500 mark when we hit 1,500 subscribers. Right now we're in the 1,360, so we've got about 140 more to go. So please like, please subscribe guys, and we will definitely see you at the next dumpster. Take care everybody, peace out, bye-bye.